Fun Kids TV. Yeah!
Are you ready, kids? Do you know what comes after A? Yes, it's B. What comes after B? Yes, it's C. What comes after C? Yes, it's D. What comes after D? Yes, it's E. What comes after E? Yes, it's F. What comes after F? Yes, it's G. What comes after G? Yes, it's H. What comes after H? Yes, it's I. What comes after I? Yes, it's J. What comes after J? Yes, it's K. What comes after K? Yes, it's L. What comes after L? Yes, it's M. What comes after M? Yes, it's N. What comes after N? Yes, it's O. What comes after O? Yes, it's P. What comes after P? Yes, it's Q. What comes after Q? Yes, it's R. What comes after R? Yes, it's S. What comes after S? Yes, it's T. What comes after T? Yes, it's U. What comes after U? Yes, it's V. What comes after V? Yes, it's W. What comes after W? Yes, it's X. What comes after X? Yes, It's Y. What comes after Y? Yes, it's Z.
Fun Kids TV. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.